Hey everybody, Grant from Spectre Racing. So that was the SCCA track night in America at Sebring. It's a great event. It was only $170, and it was later in the evening. So although that day was still pretty hot, it usually should be a little bit cooler, which is nice. And we did get only 3 sessions, so about 60 minutes of track time. But Sebring's usually a very expensive course, so being able to only run it for $170 is it's just awesome. Now, as far as the course itself, well, as you saw at night or towards the evening, it was getting a little bit difficult to drive with the sun right in my face. But my lines were not perfect. That was only the third time on Sebring that run. That was my last run on the video. So as far as the car itself, being that Sebring's a really long course, and I had to row, it was constant second, third, fourth, second, third, fourth, second, third, fourth, fifth, back and forth. The car was just getting really, really hot. I think the first 2 sessions when I was running it, it made it almost the whole session of 20 minutes. But the last session, when I really started pushing it, I think I made it about 10 minutes, maybe about 2 hot laps. That Sebring is a longer course with a good lap time should be in the 2:30s for a car like this. The car itself was getting pretty hot. Some of the modifications you've seen in the previous video, they did help, but it's become pretty apparent that I should do hood vents, and well, since then I have. So as you see right here, I've done the hood vents. They're the track spec hood vents from Track Spec Hood Vents. They're the GT4, they're the side only. Now I didn't want to remove the center hood scoop. It's got like 10 holes in the hood that I'd have to cover up. And I wasn't even 100% sure if I was going to even keep this hood. I was just going to see if the hood vents actually help and do like the Tiger Racing hood. But I haven't done a track day yet, but I did do an autocross, and the car is idling 9 degrees cooler. Now it has gotten a little bit cooler lately, but not 9 degrees cooler. So I think they're really going to make a difference, and I guess we'll see. Now, as you see, I had to do tape off a little bit of it for rain and to create a vacuum around the air vent, the air intake. So some of this video here is filmed with the new GoPro Hero 8. Over the next couple weeks, we're going to do some more videos. I'm going to do a review on this, more focused towards motorsports. Do a review when I finally get the car out on track with the hood vents and a few other things. So make sure to stay tuned. Thanks for watching.